bond, bond. Theory, theory. Narrow, narrow. Equivalent, equivalent. Act, act. Bond with your cat by blinking slowly, study says. Blinking slowly can help people bond with cats, according to a study by animal behavior experts at the University of Sussex. Researchers used 2 experiments to test the cat smile theory, which says that narrowing your eyes is equivalent to smiling to a cat. The study first looked at how 21 cats from 14 homes acted when their owners blinked slowly at them. Keeping their eyes closed for more than half a second, researchers found that a cat was more likely to slow blink back at their owner when the owner had slow blinked at them first. The next part of the study used 24 other cats from 8 different homes. A researcher, who was a stranger to the cat, offered their hand to the animal. It was found that when the researchers slow blinked before offering their hand, the cat was more likely to go to them. The researchers say this is the first study to look at how slow blinking can be used when cats and humans communicate. One of the leaders of the research team, Professor Karen McComb, said, "As someone who has both studied animal behavior and is a cat owner, it's great to be able to show that cats and humans can communicate in this way." Cats are the second most popular pet in the world. In 2016, data research company Growth from Knowledge surveyed over 27,000 people in 22 countries and found that 23% owned a cat and 33% owned a dog. Cats were most popular in Russia, where 57% of people owned one, and least popular in South Korea.